right? I like it quite good. It's not as good as it was, but still alright. Phone. Oh, dropped down a little bit. Oh, sausage wash. Oops. Yep.
I need a drill, I need the drill, and the fix up.
Is this saw?
Impact.
And the saw?
Yeah,
And the impact box. That's another tough one. That's why do we get those? I'm actually worried about those golf on it. This thing will rip it out of my hands. Rip it right out of my hands.
Okay, so, same shovel, that grey one?
Yeah, so it's just behind Dive Girl.
Yep.
Or in front of Dive Girl, I should say.
Tori loves that. Tori loves that Dive Girl.
Yeah, sweet. That's cool. It's always cool. Nice. That's nice. That opened that up nicely. It was just the right size. I don't think I could use it anywhere else. Might be able to use it there. Might be a mistake. We'll find out soon. Oh, too much for you. Why is it got such a crazy angle? Oh, that's just crazy. That's on the edge, man. I don't know. I don't know. I might just not do that. I might just not do that.
Yeah, right.
It's just a little bit too big, like smidgens. Bloody pigeons. Little pigeons too big. Who would have thunk it? Gotta get the fire burning. So you measured roughly the middle?
Right.
You measured roughly the middle?
Yep.
It's got to hold a car up.
Yep, sure does. Sure does.
Oh, no, that's... Oh, that train was just jumping around. No, that train was jumping around like nobody's business. That's what I'm going to do there. Just going to have to do all that and draw it out. Draw it out. That's it. This one could go anyway. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to blow it and do another spray job. Oh, I was just talking to the rammer. I'll get the blower. Blow her off. How much blue's left? Oh, there's enough. Oh. I've got white. I can't believe it. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, what a goofer. Well, I can't believe I just did that. That's just typical, isn't it? I'll fix it. What a donkey, mate. I knew it as soon as it started going. Oh, yeah, it is, mate. You're in the sun too still. That was a blunder breaking that, mate. It's a blunderbuss. What a duff move. What a chopper. Oh, well, let's glue it back on. Now that's painted. I think I got it all. How do you get that on there? It's not hopeless. We can fix it. We have the skills, we have the technology. Come on, go up. That's it, stay there. Go up. Jump. I was just playing it off, so that's alright. That music's rocking. I think I painted my chainsaw. That's alright. Wait, how do you want? You broke it, mate. What am I doing? Oh, it's sloppy, wasn't it? That's alright. I'll hit that with a plane. Yeah. I hope it doesn't chip the bloody first that bit off though. Well, obviously just covered in light blue. Right. Oh, right. I'm playing it face off. Yeah. As long as this doesn't snap off. Oh, because it might. Actually, apparently the glue is the strongest part of the wood after you glue it. Oh, let's glue that on. Do you just sit there? I don't need to clamp it, do I? No. Not squeezing it in. Just stuff's like butter, you know, like butter for making pancakes and shit. Yeah. They're not stress joints. I never stress joints. Oh, I'm gonna clock. Mistake I make. It's always the mistake I make is like dropping the bloody things. seems to be gripping already. How long is that out? How's that look? Just like a ball one. Jesus Christ, that's hot.